US President Donald Trump announced that the United States will extend its ceasefire with Iran just hours before the two-week agreement was set to expire. Trump stated that the decision followed a request from Pakistan, which is mediating peace talks between the two countries. He said Pakistan's Army Chief Marshal Asim Munir and Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif requested the US to pause its planned action against Iran, allowing time for a unified proposal to be developed. Trump further claimed that the decision was influenced by what he described as a seriously fractured Iranian government. He also confirmed that the US would continue its naval blockade of the Strait of Hormuz and keep its military on standby until diplomatic discussions are concluded. Following the announcement, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif thanked Trump for accepting Pakistan's request and said Islamabad would continue its efforts towards a negotiated settlement of the conflict. However, earlier in the day, Trump had indicated that he was not inclined to extend the ceasefire, telling CNBC that the US was in a strong negotiating position and could secure a great deal. He also warned that military action could resume if talks fail to progress. The situation remains uncertain as Iran has stated that it will not negotiate under pressure or threats. Iranian Foreign Ministry spokesperson Ismail Baghai said no final decision has been made regarding participation in talks. Citing contradictory signals from Washington, tensions have also escalated in the Strait of Hormuz, where the US Navy recently seized an Iranian vessel in the Gulf of Oman, citing attempts to bypass the blockade. Iran has condemned the move, calling it a violation of the ceasefire and urging the United Nations to intervene. Iranian officials have accused the US of violating the agreement, while Washington alleges that Iran has also breached the ceasefire through hostile actions in the region. Meanwhile, Iranian officials, including Parliament Speaker Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf and Commander Ali Abdullahi, have warned that Iran is prepared for further escalation and will not accept negotiations under threat.